Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to jump the pressure switch on your 2001 to current IQ 2020 control box. If the power and ready lights are both flashing on your control panel and your spa is not heating, it may be caused by a bad pressure switch in your heater. Attention! This test is for diagnostic purposes only. Your heater's pressure switch is not replaceable, which means if it is bad, you will need to purchase a new heater. With the pressure switch bypassed on your IQ 2020, you can use the PDR Power Down Reset heater, or you can simply replace your heater with the OEM factory replacement, which has a built-in pressure switch. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver, wire cutters, wire strippers, needle nose plier. The flashing power and ready light on your control panel indicates a bad pressure switch. Now let's get started with the test. Step 1. Locate the P34 pressure switch port, J8 on the Eagle control box. Step 2. Unplug the gray pressure switch wire from the pressure switch port. Step 3. With the spa power on, short out the left and middle pins with a Phillips head or flathead screwdriver, middle and right pins on the Eagle box. This will take approximately 5 to 10 seconds. Be sure to make a solid connection with the two pins, otherwise you will have to start the test over again. Step 4. The power light on your control panel, the heater on light, and the D9 light will turn solid red. This means your heater has a bad pressure switch. It is not replaceable. Step 5. To make your own pressure switch bypass jumper to use in conjunction with the PDR heater, simply cut the pressure switch wire about 2 inches from the white connector. Step 6. Strip the black and red wires with a 22 to 24 gauge wire stripper. Step 7. Twist the two wires together and plug the connector into the pressure switch port. Congratulations, you have bypassed your pressure switch. Instead of making your own bypass jumper, you can purchase the 72768 pressure switch jumper. This jumper is used to bypass the pressure switch on the 2001 forward IQ 2020 control box. The PDR heater has its own automatic cutoff in the event of a low flow condition, thus negating the need for a pressure switch. After installing the PDR heater, simply plug this bypass jumper into the port on the IQ 2020 control box that's marked pressure switch. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.